to the channel. Welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. If you're new here, you know what to do. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. I know most of you might have heard the news. Why is Kotoko signing Fatau Dauda? He's old, he should have retired and all that. Kotoko shouldn't sign him. Now, the thing is that most fans don't understand the way this thing works. Kotoko, third goalkeeper, is injured. Yes, Kotoko, third goalkeeper, is injured, and the CEO said that he's in for a surgery, that he's going to undergo surgery to, get him fit again. Maybe probably he'll be back at the end of the season or maybe later in the year. Fatau Dauda is coming to Kotoko. That's what reports are stating, that Kotoko are signing Fatau Dauda as a third choice goalkeeper. Fatau Dauda is not going to play. He will likely not get any appearance at Kotoko. He'll be like a goalkeeper coach that will step in case of a rare emergency, because there's no way Dauda Ibrahim Kwame will get injured and there will be an opportunity for Fatau Dauda to be imposed. He's coming there as basically a goalkeeper coach or emergency goalkeeper that will step up when there is a rare emergency. So basically he's just coming in as, let it not be as if we have only two goalkeepers. Now, reports came in last night that Kotoko have signed Fatau Dauda, and everybody were having mixed feelings. Why are they signing him? Why are they signing this and all that? The same people that are criticizing this people were the people that were cheering Chelsea when Chelsea signed Peter Cech. Peter Cech retired and came back to Chelsea as a fourth goalkeeper or third goalkeeper. They cheered on. The same people that cheered when Manchester United signed Lee Grant, that hasn't gotten a single appearance, or Tom Heaton that left is it Burnley to Manchester United. All those people won't play. They are just there in case of rare emergency. That is what Fatau Dauda is coming to Kotoko. That is if the club is actually signing him, because he hasn't been confirmed. If the club is actually signing him, he's coming as an emergency backup. If Dauda Ibrahim and Kwame gets injured, at least let's have someone on the bench, because it's very risky to have only two goalkeepers in the club. So that is why I feel if he's coming, no problem, short-term deal. He has a lot of experience. He can teach the goalkeepers we have and all that. So I think everyone is overreacting when they say, when reports came out that Kotoko has signed Fatau Dauda. Me, I'm very, very open with it. I welcome it because he has experience and he can teach the players, our goalkeepers, a lot. So fans should stop overreacting. If the news are true that Fatau Dauda is coming to Kotoko, no problem. He might not get a single game to play, but he's there because he has experience and he can, mentor the boys and coach them and, pass some lessons or two to them. So I think if Fatau Dauda is signing for Kotoko, I don't think there's a very big problem or there's any problem with that. I think he is capable of being the third choice goalkeeper. Yes, even if it's a short-term deal. People are overreacting. Yes, fans are overreacting. So I think he's going to be a good addition. Yes, for a short-term deal, I think he's going to be a good addition, because we can't get a goalkeeper right now on the market. Imagine going to spend money to buy a goalkeeper that will come as a third choice goalkeeper. I think it's outrageous to go and buy a goalkeeper right now when you know that if Kotoko is coming for you, they are going to charge you, and you want to buy a goalkeeper as a third choice. So I think Fatau Dauda coming to Kotoko is reasonable. So I would like to know your thoughts on the issue. What do you think? What do you think? Are you one of those people that don't want Kotoko to sign Fatau Dauda? Put that in the comment section and tell me what you think. So I think that's all for today. If you haven't subscribed, do it right now and hit the notification bell. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.